Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Open up Shopify in the web browser. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Go into Stores. See your active or inactive stores here. Click to see your inactive and active stores. Then tap to create another store. Choose the option which describes you the best. Like I've just started. Then press Next. Pick where you would like to sell. You can choose any of the given options you like. Click on I'm not sure. Press Next. Pick the plan of what you would like to sell first. Select I'll decide later and press Next. Click on Next. From where will your business be located? Click on Next. Choose your account to continue. Your store is made successfully. Click on your profile icon and go into Stores. Now see your store is shown in active stores. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.